What up, guys? Biggs Wheels here. Today's our first moto vlog. Tried to do this like 6 times. Learned that I had to get a different firmware on this GoPro that I'm using, which is the Hina 5. So yeah, now I got it back down to 1.5 firmware, and hopefully it'll work. If not, but yeah, this first moto vlog. Welcome to St. Louis. This is West County parts, like county parts, and then we got city about 15 minutes away. So always go down there. More riders have rides with us, because I usually just ride by myself, and if not, I have my buddy Linders, which he's sometimes he'll ride along, which I think today he is, which it's his birthday, 420. What's up? Yeah, so it's a nice 60-degree day right now. Probably gonna get up to like 65. And as you can see, I got the, you know, stunt look, the Street Fighter look on my bike. I just did that over the winter. Probably have a walk around on the bike and tell you what parts I got and the whole shindig. But most of it's from Cox Stunt Parts, Tactical Minds, the Six Shop, and then other little few places here like eBay and Amazon and stuff. But yeah, I did all the maintenance already on it, so it's all good to ride for the summer. You know, I had to do some chain lubes up here and there, and then probably the oil every once in a while. I like changing mine pretty frequent. Big shout out to the Street Fighters, you know, hometown heroes pretty much, if you want to call them. That's what you want to call them. Followed them around since I was probably about 9 or so. Saw them doing wheelies and stuff on the highways. Oh yeah, hear that pop. Gotta love that early in the morning. It's probably like 12 or so. I don't even know. Not even early. But it is Saturday. So I'm just rambling. This is the first moto vlog. I have no clue kind of what to talk about other than my stunt parts, but I want to do a walk around on that. That dog's dope. But we're probably going to go to a lot here soon. Try out some wheelies and stuff. We've been practicing about 2 whole days this week. So yeah, I'd say about a day. The other day we went to playoff hockey. I think that's my favorite part about the bike until we start wheeling next. Oh yeah, tell me in the comments below if your temp is like around 190 on a 60-degree day, just riding around on 636, 03, or 04. God, this is a nice day. Man, it's been nice for like a good 3 weeks here, on and off, rain, and then beautiful days like this with no fucking clouds in the sky. Holy crap. Man, let's go right here. Let's go right by the cop station up in SoCo. See, that's like a dream house right there, boy. Nice 3-car garage. sprockets are crazy. I love them compared to the stock. Just went straight to went to a 48 and 14 in the front. I've only been riding for like a year. I don't know. I already fell in love with it so much. It's crazy. This adrenaline rush is adrenaline junkie, so. But, you know, never worked on a bike, never knew much about bikes or anything, and tell you after buying this one, you know a little bit more about bikes and shit. But I do have like manual transmission car, so it's kind of easy for me to pick up on bikes. Just the same fucking concept. You let the clutch out, a little different though, and with your hand. But I actually find that to be a lot easier. Kinda sucks right here. Oh my gosh. There you go. This sucks. There goes the cop, so. Holy shit, this is way up. Almost, for real. Oh shit. Yeah, fuck all that. I ain't going down there. Coming boating. Damn. That's what we need to do. Shit. Smells like fucking fishing right now. I want to go fishing that ass and like so bad. This is so bad. Cops love us. Ah, shit. Motherfucking police. Yeah, they got some bud on them. It's 420.
I just want to live.
Come on, we got this. Okay, I see what it's doing now. Lean back on that one. Sorry if I'm not talking, if this is recording. Throw me off the fucking bike. Beach Wheels, peacing out. So hopefully you guys had a good Easter. Have a good week. Have a good weekend. More videos coming out hopefully every Thursday. Stay safe, be lucky.